What's up, Lake Ridge? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own homemade maraca. A maraca is a rattle that can be heard in lots of genres of Caribbean and Latin music. The first maracas were made out of gourds and they were filled with pebbles to make their rattle sound. But the maracas I'm going to show you how to make today can be made out of items found in your house. Some of the items you're going to need are 2 spoons, tape, a plastic egg, or some kind of container to put what you're going to make the maraca rattle in. Then you're going to need something to make the maraca make the rattle sound. Here I have beans, popcorn kernels, and rice, and in a second you'll hear that they all make different sounds depending on what you use. First, put what you're going to use to make the maraca rattle in half your egg and then close your egg or container. Now you need your 2 spoons and your tape. The first thing you're going to do is get a big piece of tape. Make sure it's long enough that it'll be able to wrap around the first spoon and the egg completely. Go in and place the tape on the spoon and then wrap the tape around the egg so it makes a full circle around the egg. Now you're going to get another big piece of tape and grab your second spoon. You want to make sure that the 2 spoons line up at the bottom so that way you can make a good handle. Then you're going to take your tape and go ahead and wrap it around both spoons and the egg. Cool, now that you've made your own maraca, go in and watch the video down below and you can practice some rhythms with it and play your maraca along with me while I play my drum.